Hi, sir.
Hi Anushka, seen after long time. Hope all well.
I am good, sir. Thank you. Actually, I recently shot few videos with our director, sir.
Yeah, I've seen couple of them. And the last one was playing live audio in school broadcasting system, right?
That's right, sir. It was very insightful. And now I was wondering, can we also schedule audio in the system?
Of course, that's possible. I think you're talking about automatic well scheduler.
Exactly. That would be really useful for schools. But can we also schedule music files like nursery rhymes or motivational audios?
Absolutely, we can. Come, I'll show you. This is our main console, and today I will show you how to program automatic school bell and the melody files. This enter settings, enter password, and then enter bell schedules. Enter the table number and total bells. Total bells could be 1 to 50. Go to program bells. First bell, enter the hours and the minutes. Melody number. These melodies are stored in the SD card. So let us enter the melody number 68. 68 files will be there, and the range of speaker where you want to play this melody. And then next. Likewise, you can program all the bells. And now we'll go back and see how the bell is played. It will play at 10:20.
अन्न ग्रहण करने से पहले विचार मन में करना है, किस हेतु से इस शरीर का रक्षण पोषण करना